In today's modern world, we the people rely heavily on the chemical medicines, which are often highly dangerous and are costly too. However, many rural and tribal communities of Assam and India have their traditional knowledge of the medicinal plants. And since the modernization of India, we the people have left behind the knowledge of medicinal plants. So today our project aims to contribute, and promote and provide with scientifically validate indigenous medicinal plants with medicinal uses and its treatment with plants which can help us in healthcare more affordable and self-reliant under the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So today we have chosen 5 medicinal plants. So today we have chosen 5 medicinal plants. That is tulsi, neem, hibiscus, aloe vera, and turmeric. So let's first discuss about the tulsi. So tulsi is generally known as tuloki in Assamese, and it is known as Osumum sacrum in scientific name. And many people from the foreign countries don't know what is tulsi. Tulsi is generally a sacred medicinal plant that is commonly found in India, which belong to mint family and has a aromatic green or purple leaves. And now let's discuss about its medicinal uses. So at first, tulsi helps treat cough, cold and sore throat. The second one is regular consumption of tulsi leaves help to resistance to diseases. The third one is if tulsi boiled with water act as a remedy for fever. And the fourth and last is tulsi paste helps in skin infection and helps to hair growth. Thank you, and I am passing the next to Mr.
So the second one is the neem leaf. The neem leaf sourced from the Azadirachta indica tree, which is also called the cornerstone of the traditional medicine, often nicknamed nature's pharmacy. The neem leaf tastes intensely bitter. The neem leaf tastes intensely bitter. This bitterness signals the presence of powerful properties, powerful compounds like quercetin and limonoids, which imbue the leaf with strong properties like antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. These qualities leading to the use of Ayurvedic medicine helps in healthy skin, etc.
My name is aloe vera. Aloe vera, the scientific name of aloe vera is Aloe verbadensis Lindem. Aloe vera is a green plant with thin or fleshy leaves. The leaves of aloe vera have a clear and sticky gel inside. It is grown in warm and dry places. Aloe vera is an evergreen plant and it also grown at home as a medicinal plant. The uses of aloe vera. The gel of aloe vera helps to heal burns and cuts. The juice of aloe vera helps in digestion and keeps the body cool. It is also used in medicine, creams and shampoos.
Turmeric plant. The local name of turmeric plant is halogen and the scientific name of turmeric plant is Curcuma longa. Turmeric is a yellow color spice that comes from the root of the turmeric plant. It belongs to the ginger family and is commonly used in cooking and medicinal use. It helps healing cuts. It improves digestion.
Now the last plant is hibiscus. This is a hibiscus plant, and hibiscus locally in Assam it is known as Jaba food. Its scientific name is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Hibiscus is generally a flowering plant with colorful flowers. Apart from that, this also has many medical impacts. Its medical uses. Hibiscus tea helps to bring down the fever and gives relief from cough and cold. Consuming flower of hibiscus helps in improving digestion and reducing stomach problems. Drinking hibiscus tea also helps in controlling high blood pressure.